What's in there? What is that? Oh, I should have just. Oh, I confused him because then he thinks you're talking to him.
Home for a bit. I just finished the dough. Not a bit, like 15 minutes. Here's the savory one. And here is the sweet one. Now I gotta wait for 2 hours for it to proof. Buenos días, aquí haciendo pan de cero. Con mi vestido. Cafetera. Ay, no. Está bien. Cheers. Bien provecho a nuestra amistad y familia. Salud.
Gracias.
I gotta go get my nails done. They are looking not so great. I don't know what color to do though. We'll see. So I'm driving to get my nails done, and I wanted to show you guys. It should be coming up soon. I'm pretty excited about it. I was wondering if I should vlog it, but I don't know if I'm gonna go yet because I kind of don't want to go by myself. So we'll see, but I just wanted to show you this Ferris wheel. Every year ever since I was little, I don't know, can you guys see it? Every year since I was little, there's this carnival here, and it's always like this week, so like a week. So I'm very, very excited about maybe going. I haven't gone in a long time. Thank you.
And just bend.
Okay. They're done. What do you guys think? Cute? Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in here now that my feet are done and I don't have Shrek feet. Well, I still have Shrek feet, but anyway, I want to talk about this beautiful anklet from Tasiso Jewelries. Has a B for Betty and for Bezos. It is 8.5 inches, both parts of the anklet. It is 14 karat gold filled, and some of the other material does include brass. It's very friendly for if you have thick ankles, you know. And I really love the color. It's kind of like, some people say yellow gold, white gold. I would say more on the white gold side, so I really like it. I have been wearing it for most of the day, so I'm like popping in here as a voiceover to let you guys know how it wore. It didn't transfer, like, you know, some jewelry that's not like fully the material, the proper material can like transfer and be greenish on your skin. This wasn't. It was super affordable. Don't laugh at my feet. But yeah, I really, really love this anklet. I'll link everything down below for you, the store, the Amazon storefront and the website, because they do have other jewelry. I just really like the initial one. Also, if you don't really want it as an anklet, you could put it as a bracelet as well, because there's a lot of different hoops that you can connect. I don't know if you can see it there close up, but there's a lot of different hoops that you can connect so that you can make it smaller and it can fit. Oh, look, there's my baby Nala. So that it can fit your wrist as well. Either way, it's a great piece of jewelry, guys. Hi, baby. Are you hot, baby? I love you. Talking to my sister. Say hi, sister. Don't we look alike? You're about to be in the video. You're about to be in the vlog.
So what?
You're about to be in the vlog.
I should have said, hey, vlog.
I'm gonna still keep it on the phone. I'm gonna keep it on the thing.
Hey, vlog.
That's my baby sister. Nobody talk to her, okay? She's too young for you. I miss telling him jokes and looking at him like study the joke like if it's some type of chemistry project. And I'm like, it's not even that serious.
That's how that is, man.
It's not even, and then he gets mad if I tell him the answer. You should have let me figure it out, Birdie. And I'm just like, are you kidding me? It's a joke. It's not supposed to be serious.
He don't know how to take nothing not serious.
Pero, alright, I'm gonna start filming, my love.
Alright, well, I'll see you later. Hope you have a great rest of your day.
I will. Love you.
Alright.
Say bye to my people.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye. You guys, do you like what I do with my hair? Can we just say that my curls are popping right now? Is that how you say it? Popping? So I actually just got back from doing my grocery shopping. So I wanted to show my groceries for the next, I think it's going to be like a month worth of groceries, honestly. I spent $230. So usually that takes me about 4 to 6 weeks. By the way, I'm wearing my merch. I'll be putting that up shortly, so if you guys want the merch from my podcast, I would love to share it with you, and then we can all wear it together and have like this really cool brand. So anyway, let me show you what I have. So I always get the pasteurized Vital eggs, and they're the brown ones. It always comes with like this little thing here. But yeah, I always get these. Chicken to make the chicken Caesar salad. I love chicken Caesar salad. I don't know why, like, there's only 2 salads that I really love. It's chicken Caesar salad, and then there's the beet arugula salad. If you guys have not tried it, okay, that's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Let's see here. I got salmon. I got green beans. I love green beans. So I have arugula. As I said, I'm obsessed with arugula. I love arugula. It's so good. I might have arugula tonight for dinner. Microgreens. So good. Romaine lettuce. Goat cheese. I'm telling you, goat cheese, arugula, beets, balsamic vinaigrette. It changed your life. It'll change your life. And this is for Nala. So I like to feed Nala like a few ingredient type foods. So I get her this Fresh Pet one, but I only get her the one that has the salmon or the one that has the beef. This has grass-fed beef and brown rice. Passion fruit. And this is for New Jersey. Like it says New Jersey, locally grown. New Jersey and New York. So it's like a berry blend. So what I do with the berry blend is I either do it in a smoothie, or I'll like heat it up and put chia seeds or sometimes maple syrup, and I'll turn it into a jam and have it peanut butter and jelly. It's actually really good. I love to cook, by the way, you guys. I don't know if you know that about me. This is mango, peaches, and pineapples. And I use them for recycling or for garbage. Watch out, baby. Nala's over here. Got some pasta. Beets. I love beets, I'm telling you guys. Once you go beets, you don't go back. I don't know. Does that make sense? This is a pesto sauce, but it doesn't have any like artificial oil. So this has olive oil. Well, not, I don't think it's called artificial oils, but the oils that aren't good for you. So like canola oil, sunflower oil, I think it's called hydrolyzed oil, I could be wrong, Parmesan, avocados. So I don't drink soda. What I do is I'll blend up the fruit and add a little bit of this, and it gives it like a fizzy soda flavor but less sugar, and it's not processed. So pasta, croutons, beet juice. Love beet juice. I love beets. I probably said that 8 million times in this vlog. Caesar dressing, Primal Kitchen. Capers. I like putting capers in my tuna fish, and I also like putting capers in my Caesar salads. And when I do like smoked salmon with cream cheese, capers, so good. And then I got 2 of these, the spicy version, tomato sauce, lavender syrup and rose syrup, and you can use these for baking and for coffee. I'm going to use them for baking bread, and I'm also going to use them for matcha. So actually I'm going to show you that really quick. I started my sourdough yeast. It's on top of the refrigerator. I started my sourdough yeast. So maybe one of the vlogs could be me baking bread. I already baked some bread and it came out good, but I could do better, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna make dinner. I'm hungry. I didn't make lunch, so I think I'll get back to you once dinner is done. Okay? Guys, here's my dinner. So good with beet sauce. Okay, I'm holding my phone right now. I changed it to my pajamas. I think I'm gonna just end the vlog here. It's really good, by the way. And I hope you liked it. I hope you like spending, you know, the day with me. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.